Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1959 MGA 1500 Coupe. So really rare MGA. The Coupes, they made probably only 10% of production of all the MGAs. Very pretty little thing. Looks like a miniature XK120 fixed head. But yeah, really attractive closed two-seater coupe. This car is a 1500 with disc wheels, Old English white, red interior, original California car. Speedo shows 40,000 miles. We don't know if that's real or not, but from looking at the car, there's a possibility that could be its genuine original mileage. Currently, the driveline's out of the car. The engine's completely rebuilt at big expense. We're going to be getting that soon and reuniting it with the car. It's being shipped on a pallet to us. But amazingly wonderful original MGA, probably the best MGA we've ever seen for very, very easy restoration. Or you could maybe just put the driveline back in and clean the car up a bit and fit some maybe some carpets, and drive it as it is. So the rear glass is out of the car, but we have it here. Yeah, we have all the components. That's the rear. These are the side. You can see they bought a new piece of rubber there, but there's a bunch of spares that come with the car. That's the original black license plate. Some parts to the toolkit, the jack, but like I said, a highly original car that started life here in California. Great body on this car. It's had one repaint, but super body, no rust, pencil straight. There's a sticker on the windshield here, a driving sticker from USC from 1967. We've got those original black and yellow plates also to show that it lived here. One little tiny bump in this corner that got a little part of the grille as well, but they've tapped that out, and they were kind of doing a light repair on that. But just a wonderful original car with great fitting panels. You can probably shine up a lot of this chrome. Paint's not too bad, but amazingly well preserved, stored indoors forever. In the interior here, you can see these excellent, original door panels. This car still has most of the original carpets. These are the leather seats, the original leather seats. Lovely two-tone dashboard there that looks original to me. Excellent original headliner with those Amco sun visors. Let's look in here real quick. Yeah, Speedo is 40,798. Original Blaupunk radio, which is really cool. We do have a few other extra carpet bits if you wanted to kind of resuscitate this original interior. But like I said, original door seals here. But like I said, great car to get it running and driving and maybe do some light cosmetics and tidy it up. Or you can do a super easy restoration on it. You can look at the still photos. The engine bay is exceptionally clean. I think someone steam cleaned the undercarriage. They steam cleaned the engine bay, and they were kind of prepping the car to get the driveline put back in. But pretty fantastic MGA coupe here for super easy restoration. 1959 MGA 1500 coupe, Old English white, red interior, showing 40,000 original miles, California car, totally rebuilt original 1500 engine, which we're going to be receiving soon to sell with the car, but we've listed photos there on the ad. But an absolutely wonderful opportunity to buy a super good MGA for restoration. Very easy, straightforward restoration. And there you have it. It's for sale on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. You're going to save huge money here with any body work. Just a simple paint, light upholstery, and mechanicals, getting them back up to snuff. You got a nice driver, rare MGA pretty 1500 coupe.